I am utilizing the VBOUT Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the VBOUT Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integrations. Search for and select ConvertPro as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Now here search and select VBOUT. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit VBOUT API console. Then click on API integrations under General Information. Copy this and paste it on Authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose List. Choose Contact Status. Now map the fields. Here is advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to VBOUT. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now, let's fill out a form. Submit the form. Now let's go to the VBOUT. Here is the data that came into VBOUT through the integration. Thanks for watching.